everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to highlight all error cells with conditional formatting in Excel. If you create formulas in your worksheet, it will be inevitable to appear some error values. Can you highlight all these cells which contain the error values in your worksheet at once? The conditional formatting utility in Excel can help you solve this problem. The following steps will show you how to apply conditional formatting to highlight all cells that contain errors. Select a range or the whole worksheet that you want to apply the conditional formatting. Click the Home tab. In the Styles group, click the Conditional Formatting drop-down list and select New Rule. In the New Formatting Rule dialog box, select Use a formula to determine which cells to format option under the Select a Rule Type section, and then type this formula. This error inside the bracket A1. A1 indicates the first cell in your selected range, and you can change it as you need. Enter the format values where this formula is true text box. Then click the Format button, and in the Format Cells dialog box, select one color that you want to use under the Fill tab. After choosing the color, click the OK button. Again, click the OK button to close the dialogs, and all the error value cells have been highlighted based on the selected color. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.